gate at the scheduled boarding time. No boarding call announcements will be made.
We expect to be boarded in about 25 minutes. Your group numbers are 3, 4, 5 with your ticket. Hold your number. El embarque para el vuelo 50 será aproximadamente dentro de 25 minutos. El grupo corresponde 3, 4, 5 presentados a la fecha de montaje.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning from the flight deck. Captain Shelton speaking. First Officer Heiza, First Officer Spooner, and I would like to head our welcome aboard the be underway for Newark's Liberty International Airport here momentarily. Looks like we're going to be off the gate a little bit ahead of schedule today. 7 hours and 57 minutes flying time en route to Newark. That'll have us arriving early today. It's such a nice day for flying. Might have a couple little pockets with some very light bumpiness. We'll do our very best to keep the ride as smooth as possible for you. The seatbelt sign does come on. I'm going to ask that you please turn your seats, ensure your seatbelts are fastened, and we're going to turn back off as quickly as we can. We have a great team of flight attendants in the cabin today. If there's anything that they can do or we can do from a front flight for you,
Dijo Popas, me perdí esa parte. Ok, yo me pongo nerviosísima con las turbulencias. Es algo extraño.
We're excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulation requires you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with posted and lighted signs.
The two doors located just behind the wings are equipped with slides and should not be used in a water landing unless advised by a crew member. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
At United, we're connecting people, uniting the world and doing it safely. From all of us, thank you and enjoy your flight.
And good morning once again, and welcome aboard United Airlines flight number 50, our non-stop services to Newark. My name is Cheryl. I'll be your international purser on today's flight, and I will be serving along with 7 of United Airlines' finest York-based flight attendants. We'll be here and available for you should you have any questions or comments regarding this flight or any United Airlines services. Our flight is under the command of Captain J. Shelton, assisted by First Officers Chris and Steve. Once again, our flight time, 7 hours and 57 minutes. In the unlikely that oxygen is needed on today's flight, please remove your face mask before putting on your oxygen mask. If you're seated in exit row, we do encourage that you open up the window shades for taxi and takeoff. We'd like to thank you once again for flying with us. I'll be back with more details regarding today's flight shortly after takeoff. foggy weather. For your safety, please check to make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened and refrain from moving out the cabin.
Permanente iluminada la señal de los cinturones, por favor abrochen sus cinturones, evacueen sus asientos, regresen a sus asientos y abrochen sus cinturones.
kept sticking. We started our initial descent from the Newark area. Seatbelt sign is currently off. If you need to get up and make any last minute movement in the cabin now, get accepted in. So seatbelt sign will be coming back on here in about 5 minutes or so. Departing International Terminal B today and have you on the ground and at the gate just about 35 minutes early.
So please take a minute to put away your carry-on items, including laptops. Feel free to keep using and charging your phones, tablets, and e-readers. Just make sure they're in airplane mode and either placed in a pocket or held. If you're sitting in an exit row, please unplug all devices from the outlets for landing. Now is also the time to put away your tray tables and video monitors and put your seat backs up. Return your headrests and footrests to their original position and fasten your seatbelt. If you're sitting near a window, we ask that you open the window shade for landing. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival and be seated. Aterrizaremos pronto. Dedique unos minutos a guardar sus artículos de mano, incluidos las computadoras portátiles. Puede seguir usando y cargando su teléfono, tablet o libro electrónico. Recuerde activar el modo avión. Coloque el dispositivo en el bolsillo o manténgalo en la mano. Si su asiento está junto a una salida, desenchufe todos sus dispositivos de las tomas de corriente. Recoja también la bandeja y la pantalla y coloque un respaldo en posición vertical. Vuelva a colocar los reposacabezas y los reposapiés en su posición original y abróchese el cinturón de seguridad. Si su asiento está junto a una ventanilla, abra la cortinilla antes de aterrizar. Auxiliares de vuelo, preparen la cabina para la llegada al doble asiento.
United Airlines or Starlines partners, along with your entire in-flight crew, would like to be the first to welcome you to the Newark Liberty International Airport. The local time here is approximately 2:14 p.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please do not plug your devices into the outlets. Check around your immediate seating area, seat back pockets. For all of your personal belongings, please take caution when opening the overhead bin. We're arriving at Terminal B today. Since this is your first stop into the U.S., everyone needs to claim any checked bags and go through customs. If you're connecting onto another flight today, you'll have to recheck your bags in the recheck area right before the exit, then go through security again before your connecting flight. Gate information may be found via television monitors or a United representative leading our flight. You may now use your smartphones and mobile phones in the transit mode. It's been our most sincere pleasure serving on board with us today. We do look forward to seeing you again on another United flight. Enjoy your stay here or safe journey on to your next destination.
Bienvenidos al aeropuerto de Newark, son aproximadamente las 2:15 de la tarde. Estaremos en movimiento unos minutos más, por favor. Permanezcan en sus asientos con el cinturón de seguridad abrochado y todos sus artículos guardados hasta que la señal de los cinturones se haya apagado. Asegúrense de tener consigo todas sus pertenencias y tengan cuidado al abrir los compartimentos superiores. Estamos llegando al terminal B, pase por aduana y reclame su equipaje documentado. Eso es ustedes en tránsito y cuentan con equipaje documentado. Diríjase al área de documentación de equipaje y luego pase por los controles de seguridad. En nombre de United, nuestros socios de Star Alliance y toda la tripulación, gracias por volar con nosotros hoy. Espero que hayan tenido una experiencia agradable y que podamos encontrarnos de nuevo en otro vuelo de United.